My name is Yi-Chen and I studied computer science, specializing in machine learning and artificial intelligence, and I have just graduated. I am currently working as a back-end software engineer in a fintech sector. My favorite thing about my degree is that I am actually able to study in Singapore while also earning the University of London certificate as well. My best memory from my student day was to be able to lead one of the hackathons, which was being hosted in SIM Information Technology Club. So this was very successful with more than 100 individuals who actually came down to be part of this hackathon, and I also managed to collaborate with a few stakeholders as well. This program has allowed me to be able to get exposed with real-life application projects. This actually helps to build up my problem-solving skills. The hands-on project that I enjoyed the most is the artificial intelligence module, which is my final year project. I actually built an artificial intelligence route optimization project. I also took part in this Bright Network Technology internship, where it is virtually online for about 3 days. And I learned a lot, not just about technology itself, but also how to approach in finding a new job outside or how to approach different interviews as well. I used the University of London's resources to study for all my exams, not just the written exams, but also the hands-on projects. There's actually many materials that you are able to find on the UOL's platform. I would definitely recommend my degree to many students out there. This program actually gives us a very wide exposure to computer science as well as the programming field. My advice that I would give to prospective students is actually to stay curious and you'll be fine.